It arrived on the back of a flatbed, a husk of metal. Charred paint peeled like old sunburn. The once proud BMW was now a twisted, melted testament to a fire it couldn't outrun. The interior, once a haven of leather and technology, was gone. Ashes and the stench of burning dreams filled the air. This wasn't just a car in need of repair. This was a resurrection project. The fire had been merciless, devouring everything in its path. The elegant curves of the hood were now grotesque, bubbled deformities. Glass, once crystal clear, was now opaque pools of solidified slag. It was a heartbreaking sight, a reminder of the destructive power of nature, or perhaps simple misfortune. But amidst the devastation, a spark of hope flickered. Beneath the ashes, I could almost make out the ghost of the magnificent machine it once was. This wasn't the end, this was just the beginning. The first step was assessment, a forensic investigation of the damage. Every scorched panel told a story, every melted wire a clue to the fire's path. The engine, once a symphony of precision engineering, was a seized lump of metal. The task ahead was daunting: to source original parts, often rare and expensive, to replace the fire's victims. Each salvaged component was a victory, each bolt loosened a step closer to resurrection. The shell, stripped bare, revealed the true extent of the damage. Twisted metal beyond repair had to be cut away, replaced with new steel, painstakingly molded to match the original lines. It was a slow, meticulous process, demanding patience and a keen eye for detail. Hours were spent hunched over workbenches, the air thick with the smell of welding and grinding. Slowly, painstakingly, the car began to take shape, a jigsaw puzzle of old and new. With the bodywork complete, it was time for the paint shop. Layer upon layer of primer and paint were applied, each coat sanded to a perfect finish. The original color, a deep lustrous blue, was painstakingly recreated, erasing the last visual reminders of the fire's wrath. The interior was no less impressive. Gone were the charred remnants, replaced with fresh leather, hand-stitched and fitted with the precision of a Savile Row tailor. New wiring harnesses, snaking through the car's frame, carried the promise of life, the potential for motion. The engine, painstakingly rebuilt, was a testament to mechanical artistry, each component cleaned, polished, and precisely reassembled. The final touches were the most satisfying. The iconic BMW emblem gleaming on the newly painted hood felt like a badge of honor, a symbol of triumph over adversity. The day of the final reveal dawned bright and clear. The garage doors swung open, revealing a sight that took my breath away. Gone was the burned-out shell, replaced by a gleaming masterpiece. The restored BMW stood bathed in sunlight, its paint reflecting the azure sky above. It was more than just a car, it was a testament to human resilience, a symbol of our ability to rebuild, to overcome. The engine roared to life, the sound music to my ears. As I slid behind the wheel, the smell of fresh leather filling my nostrils, I couldn't help but feel a sense of awe. This car, once destined for the scrap heap, had been brought back from the brink, transformed by skill, dedication, and a whole lot of love. It was a reminder that even from the ashes, something beautiful can rise. This was more than just a restoration, it was a resurrection.